Today we're going to do a staple in my diet, and I'm sure you all know about twice baked potatoes, but today we're going to solar cook twice baked potatoes. So the secret to making sure that this gets in here is that you want to cut the potato at the right angle. Obviously it doesn't fit there, so you have to get the right size. And we're counting. It's been an hour and 42 minutes. It's pretty warm out here today, 92 degrees, 88, 81 in the shade. Now the potatoes take a little bit longer, obviously, because there's so much mass, but I just want to oh yeah, these are definitely ready to be twice baked, super soft. So let's go ahead and bring them inside. So the inside is 270. Okay, so I do this very minimalistically. I could do it possibly more fancy here, but ooh, these are hot. Ooh. 158. Alright, so what we want to do is just take our potatoes and scrape out the inside very carefully. We want to keep the skin intact. If you take this fork and kind of just score the edges, kind of gives it a nice little pizzazz. I ran out of memory, but here's the final product, and I probably could have done this a little faster. The GoSun's still pretty warm, so let's go ahead and plop this puppy back outside. I think I should have used a different type of cheese. Cubby, did I overcook my potatoes? Could I have shaved some time off? Or do you like to solar cook?